All right, what have we got? We've got a light therapy lamp, modern table lamp. The remote control with the power adapter. Backing. The manual. It is 1,000 lux. Okay, one therapy lamp, one adapter, one remote control, one user manual. That is correct. Color temperature 2700, 4000, or 6000. So very warm, pretty close to daylight, and slightly cold daylight. 1000 lumens, 1000 lux. It's dimmable 25% through 100%. RCI, color rendering index 98, whatever that means. And it's got a timer for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 90 minutes. IP grade, IP20, whatever that means. Okay. The light itself is in a bag. Time for the knife. Okay, so you've got a lovely wooden base, which is some sort of plastic. Looks like wood, but it's not wood. It's most definitely plastic. USB-A input. Which one wonders what that's for? Because the item, that's interesting. Because the item that it comes with has a barrel connector, the adapter. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're plugged in. Oh, there it goes. There you have it. Plastic tab on the. Okay, so get your remote going. It's on. Normal weight mode. As NW. CW for your country and western. And WW for your warm white. Timer there, you got your 10, your 30, your 60, your 90, and you can dim her down all the way to there or crank her up. Yeah, so there's 4 increments. There's sort of low, a little bit brighter than that, and high. And that's it. So you got your 4. And this is a therapy, a light. So it's supposed to give you spectrums of light that are healthy, that help your body make the vitamin A or the vitamin D or the whatever your doctor says it does. It doesn't have any of that sort of information about. Thank you for choosing Light Therapy Lamp. This introduction will help you properly install. Yeah, it doesn't have any particular health claims on it. So it might just be a good bedside lamp that you can use to see to get up out of bed and whatnot. But it looks cool. It's like got a sort of a, I don't know, for your older viewers, a Mork from Ork kind of vibe. Yeah, it is the Light Therapy Lamp Modern Table Lamp. All right.